The way these aircrafts just hover in LA and they sit around is insane. They're waiting to get clearance to land, so they just hover and slowly descend. It's so cool. Hey you guys, what is up? It is day number 2 in LA with my sis. Say hey. Okay, so we just arrived at our reservation for Benihana. It's my first time in Benihana in LA. I've been to one back in my home city, so yeah, we had a super late start, man. It's like 4 o'clock right now in the afternoon. I'm dressed kind of cute or whatever, you know, a little something. It's like 70 degrees and raining in LA right now, but yeah, we look cute and we're about to get this day started finally. My braid's a little bit messy, but say bye, sis. Bye. Well, I'll show you guys a little bit of our Benihana experience, so stay tuned. Day number 2, let's get it. The drinks have arrived. Sissy got a sophisticated ginger double. Got some kind of lemon drop. I forgot what kind of lemon drop it is, but double lemon drop. Super good. Yummy. Let's see what this be like. Cheers. Yum. That's strong. They did a good job. Pretty good. Our server Pablo's here.
Do you have any special occasion today? Any anniversary divorce?
Happy Tuesday.
Oh, vegetables for the fried rice, Japanese gallo. No cilantro, Japanese rice. Okay, chicken. The chicken, eating chicken, and Pablo Picasso, that look like some love in my heart.
His beating heart.
Like my broken heart. Oh, it's broken already. Uh-oh. Fire.
Whoa.
That looks on fire. Looks like a pistol. Get started. I'm going to be here to play not about.
Crazy how we are literally thoroughly entertained by this right now. Look. Entertained as hell. Even though it's taking a really long time, I feel like this is a lot of energy for them to do all day long. It takes a lot of energy probably out of them. Yummy. There goes my scallops. Almost through. Got the fried rice under there. There's my salmon, my asparagus, my noodles, and my mushrooms. I think I'm like one of the last courses left.
Double. Oh.
It's really good. It looks bomb. Mine's almost done. There goes my udon. Yes. My asparagus and mushrooms. OMG. Yummy. Bring it on here, baby. Yes. Alright, let's take this puppy off. Ooh. Ooh. Thank you, Pablo. Woo! Happy Tuesday. Pizza grubs. Looks freaking bomb. She's almost done. I'm taking forever. This is so good. I'm super enjoying it right now. Lipstick is off, but whatever. It's super good.
shit real too. Ah! I ain't gonna stop.
We just came to Southern Girl Desserts. Apparently they are hella bomb. They have cakes, cupcakes, pies, and all that good stuff. Cookies. I personally, I'm not a big cupcake person.
But I got one for her.
But she got me one to try. And I'm gonna see what's up with it. Apparently this is the move over here. What area are we in right now? Baldwin Hills. Yes, the Baldwin Hills Mall. Southern Grill Desserts. So I'm gonna check it out and see what's up with it. Hopefully it's good, or is she putting dubs on it? I don't know. It looks good. Pause. I tried the caramel cake and it was freaking bomb. Definitely go check them out. Like, I literally couldn't put it down. It was so freaking good. Somebody already took a chunk out. Ooh, that looks super good. Oh my gosh. So Benihana's was freaking amazing. We had an amazing time. Food was super bomb. Now we're home chilling, debating on if we're gonna try to go to One Oak nightclub or go to the skating rink, World on Wheels or something. I heard both of them are cracking on a Tuesday, so we're gonna see what's up, or we might just end up in the house again being bums. I don't know. We gotta figure this out, because the real one is low-key like in relaxation mode right now, so I don't know. Sis is big chilling. We're on the couch watching Grey's Anatomy. It is too real right now, so I don't know, y'all. This might be the end of day 2. If not, I will put that in the next vlog for day 3 if we end up at World on Wheels or racist ass One Oak. Who knows? We'll see. Anyway, thank you guys for staying on this journey. Make sure you guys check out my other videos and subscribe, of course. Subscribe. Turn up. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that button. Say bye, sis. Alright, we out. I'll see you guys on day 3 in LA.
Hold your gaze with your eyes on